Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another Vlogmas video. I can talk. So I just got back from San Antonio late last night, and yeah, so I walked the half marathon yesterday, and so today that means I have lots of errands to do. So my first errand was going to pick up the pups. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running, and I'm trying to live the healthiest lifestyle that I can while raising a toddler. Today, I've only done three things significant. I got the child up and got her to daycare. Number 2, got my ass chewed out at work for something that wasn't my problem. I'm gonna put in a side note here. It's my biggest pet peeve is other people making me seem like that I can't do my job. I'm not saying that I'm perfect. When I'm wrong. But if you're the cause of the problem, you should kind of own up to it, and let's just go on about your business after that. Okay, and the third thing I did was edit my Vlogmas video that's going up today. So I'm a little disappointed in how I didn't get a lot of footage from Saturday, and so like the vlog is just a little meh, but it's okay. I had fun, and I guess that's the most important thing, is that I was having fun, and I should get back into that. So today I'm just running a couple of errands, picking up the pup. I just want to go home and watch Mrs. Maisel, and I tried to last night, but I kept falling asleep on it. Today is obviously a rest day, so I won't be working out. And yeah, groceries, making some food, picking up the pup. I really want some coffee too, so maybe that's what's happening. Okay, so I am back now. I just realized that I didn't show my medals or anything, so because I was too busy not being a good vlogger. This is the medal I got for the 5K right here, and then this is the medal that I got for the half marathon. I don't know if it's going to focus there. So that's the one I got for the half marathon, and then for doing a race on Saturday and then Sunday, then I get a remix medal, which is this, which the remix medals have come a long way. This is really cute. It spins and it has stuff on it, so I was actually really surprised to have gotten a cute little remix medal. Like I said, well, I probably haven't told you guys, but I usually do a lot of rock and roll races, but this is actually the first rock and roll race that I've done this year because of just bad planning on my part. And you know, I've lost a lot of money because I was supposed to run these races and I didn't, so it's all good. I wanted to answer some questions, and I just wanted to start off by saying, hey, I know I'm not the first person in the world to walk a half marathon. People do it all the time. My only point in walking the half marathon was to show all those people who think that they can't sign up for races or whatever, that they can walk and it's fun. To come to a different grocery store today because I like to go to HEB, but they didn't have any pickup available until like 7 p.m. and that's too late. So I went to Kroger because they said that I could pick up at 2 to 3. Kroger's a little bit more expensive, so that's really why I don't shop at Kroger, but it's okay. I got my groceries today, and yes, you could be thinking, why didn't you just go into the grocery store? Because when I go into the grocery store, I end up looking around, spending a whole bunch of time, and spending a whole bunch of money. So I just decided that it would be best if today I just picked up my groceries. And I kind of want to have a chill day. I don't want to have to be worrying about going to the grocery store. That's why I like pickup. I'm going to go ahead and answer the couple of questions that people had about me walking the half marathon. Like I said earlier, I know I'm not the first person to walk a half marathon. People do it all the time. The first question I got was, did I walk the entire half marathon? I'm gonna consider myself having walked the entire half marathon. If you've done Rock and Roll San Antonio or whatever, you know that it's a very, very crowded race. So I started off, in the beginning I ran like maybe 2/10 of a mile to get out of the pack, because like I didn't want to get in the way of anybody, and because I started in an earlier corral, because I don't know how many corrals they have, but I didn't want to be waiting until 8 o'clock to cross the start line. So the race started at 7:15. I crossed the start line like at 7, almost 7:30. So like, and I don't even know what corral that I actually started in. So that's what I did, but I walked every last bit of that after that point. The next question I got was, are you naturally a fast walker or did I train? I am a fast walker naturally, just like in everyday life. I'm one of those people that walks pretty quickly. But I did actually train for this. I trained very hard for this. I did lots of speed work on the treadmill. I did lots of speed work out on the road, because it's different doing your speed work on the treadmill versus doing it on the road.
And this chick's probably gonna look at me. It's super funny.
And I also did like long walks so that I could simulate what it would be like during the race. Okay, the other question I got was, what was my actual goal for walking the half marathon? My goal was, there was a 4-hour time limit on the half marathon, and I thought that I could finish in 3 hours and 30 minutes. So I thought that that was a reasonable time that, you know, I could comfortably do. I did end up finishing the half marathon in 3 hours and 10 minutes and 10 seconds. And I actually stopped a lot along the way, and I took pictures and I looked at some art, and I had a, you know, and I like enjoyed the stuff along the way. So maybe I could have been a little bit faster if I hadn't done all that stuff. But the most important thing about signing up for a race, whether you're walking or you're running, is to have a good time, because you're burning calories, and sometimes it sucks, and you just need to, you know, have a good time along the way. This course was particularly hilly. They changed the course from last year to this year, and so there were a lot of hills. I'm not gonna lie about that. It was a little bit rough. My hips hurt. I'm not gonna lie about that either. I feel like that I ran just the same, like my body hurts just the same way. So I mean, I still burned 1,500 calories. That's the amount of that I would normally burn. My next question was, how did I fuel myself along the way? I used Honey Stinger chews, and basically, so I took my first chew pack around 45 minutes, which was almost, it was like a little bit more than 3 miles. But my plan was to take my chews at 4, 8, and 12. I also took the stuff that they had on course, like as far as sports liquids and everything. I think those are all the questions that I got. So I'm really proud that I did that, and I just wanted to show other people that it's okay to walk, and you're not gonna die of embarrassment, and you're not gonna be the last person, and you're not gonna be the only person walking. Because if you watched my video from yesterday about the race, you saw plenty of other people walking, and it wasn't the end of the world, okay? So yesterday I had a pink drink for the first time, and I actually really enjoyed it, but we don't have pink drinks here at my Starbucks in small town. So I got this dragon fruit thing. Tastes just as good. now I'm going to the UPS store to mail off the winter giveaway thing that I did on my Instagram. I'm very excited about this. I want to make sure that she gets it before Christmas, so I'm going to the UPS store now. I live that exciting life, y'all. Tiny Tot will be here soon, so I have to get all of my ish done. I'm here at the bookstore because I have to buy something for Tiny Tot. They're having a book party for Christmas, and so now I have to find an age-appropriate book and wrap that sucker up and bring it tomorrow, because tomorrow's the deadline, and I almost forgot. I'm back at home now. I need to make some dinner because, you know, I just picked up the groceries today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We are gonna have spaghetti. So I have, I don't know if you saw it in my time lapse earlier, but I have these butternut squash noodles, which I really, really love. And I'm gonna do some ground turkey. So this is the 93%. And I'm gonna do some turkey sausage in there just to spice it up. And I'm super excited because I did go to Kroger today. They have the spicy carrot hummus, and I love this stuff so much. So I'm very excited that I was able to get this. See, that's the reason why I don't need to go to the grocery store, because I will just pick up stuff. Anyway, so now I'm gonna make dinner. Of the video. I've been spending time with little chicken nugget here, and now it's late and we both need to go to sleep. So can you say good night?
Good night.
Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
Yes, happy Vlogmas. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.